How to join groups in Instagram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily join groups in Instagram. So first thing, simply open up your Instagram application and make sure you are logged into your account. So once you're inside here, just click on this messenger icon over here, and if you want to join certain groups, just click on this search bar, and let's say I want to search for a particular group. That is, I have already searched a recent group over here. So this is my group which called hype group. So if I want to join this group, simply just have to click on this any of the message and just head over to your keyboard and just start typing and joining them just like this. Once you click on this join, you will actually be joining a channel. To join a group, you can simply click on any message over here and just click on send. You will be successfully joining this group and officially be a member of this group. As you can see, it also has over 34,000 followers. So that is exactly how you can easily join groups on Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.